Let's make a quick last-minute Halloween costume, shall we? So first I started by putting the Tacky textile mats in all of my shirts. I put a different mat in each of my 4 shirts. And the reason I do that is to both hold my shirt in place and keep it wrinkle-free, and also to make sure that I don't get any bleed through between my front of my shirt and my back of my shirt. I never screen print without a tacky mat in between my shirt. Then I just use my Ikonart stencil and some Jacquard screen printing ink to screen print my design on my stencil. And then I'm just going to remove the stencil and hold it in one hand while I move my shirt to the ground and then do my next one without washing out my stencil in between. So I'm just going to carefully lay my stencil down and repeat the process. So the first time I put my stencil down, I kind of rub it down to make sure that it's adhered good to the shirt, but obviously when I have screen printing ink on it already, I can't really do that. I don't want to put it down, lift it up, reposition it, that kind of thing. I just kind of gently lay it down exactly where I want it to be, and I don't move it around after that. And as you can see from this video, I do get a clean print with clean edges on all 4 of my shirts. It gets a little hard to see where I've screen printed already or what my coverage is when I have black already in the mesh. So I actually do prefer to wash out my stencil between each shirt. But when you're in a bind, or if you're doing shirts maybe like this for a Halloween costume that, they don't need to be perfect, just going one to the next works completely fine without washing out my stencil in between. So this is my last one. I am just doing the 4 shirts to make a fun little pumpkin patch costume for some coworkers. So the stems of our pumpkins are going to be our face masks. And in order to make the face masks, I just cut up a t-shirt and I used Jennifer Maker's easy 2-layer no-sew mask tutorial on her blog to do that. She has some templates that you can just cut out, so I'll link that in the description below. So that's about it. It's pretty easy. It only took a couple minutes to make these 4 shirts, and it's a really fun, easy group Halloween costume.
Pumpkin, pumpkin, round and fat, turn to a pumpkin pie, just like that.